Hello and welcome, Lego fans. This is Sunday morning builds, and today it is Brick Sketches set number 40456, Mickey Mouse from Disney's Mickey and Friends, the iconic Mickey Mouse. Now, I have no real connection to this set other than it's part of the Brick Sketches range, and I'm collecting all of them. And so this is going to be today's build. Comes with 181 pieces. It looks like a fairly simple build. I'm going to say a 20-minute build, and there won't be too much to review, but I'll be pleasantly surprised if I do come across something noteworthy. So with that said, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And this will be a speed build, as a Sunday morning build always is. So I think it's time to get into it. Hope you can hang around for the review afterwards. Thanks for hanging around for the review of set number 40456, Mickey Mouse, the Brick Sketches Mickey Mouse. Now, the number one surprising thing about this piece is, even though it had 10 more pieces than BB-8, 11 more pieces than the Joker, this took 10 minutes less time to build. So it was under 15 minutes it took to build this. And I think I said in the introduction that it looked like a pretty simple, straightforward build, but I didn't expect it to take under 15 minutes. But that's okay, because part of the attraction of these brick sketches is the learning of the layering techniques to create different effects. And that's exactly what this does, even though it was fairly basic, using quite large plates as well, especially with the ears and underneath. It is still a very effective product and outcome. The bow tie, different ways of creating the bow tie. We've seen with the Joker as well, the simplicity in creating that effect of the shoulders into the neckline. So with this build, there's not really much to point out. What I found interesting is each time I do these brick sketches, they seem to have a different way or order of doing the back piece here. And this time, I would have actually preferred to have done the back piece prior to putting the ears on. The ears are actually raised. I don't know if you can see this here. The ears are raised off the base plate. And so when you're clamping down pieces here, if you're pressing on the ears, they pop off. So I would have done it in a slightly different order, and maybe Lego has learnt from that. But all in all, not a bad build. It's a great look. Mickey Mouse is iconic in the world of cartoons and Disney, so no complaints with that whatsoever. So that's about it for the review, and there's nothing really in the layering technique that I need to go over that we haven't really explored previously. So I'll leave it there. Thanks for joining me this week. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. And I'll try and move away from brick sketches for some future builds for a while. I still have 2 other brick sketches to build, so we'll wait and see what they will be. So until then, thanks for joining me, and bye for now.